day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going back with our C20 Pro smartwatch. And this time we are going to check one of its main features, the heart rate monitoring, okay, the blood pressure monitoring, and of course the blood oxygen monitoring. In short, we are going to check on its health monitoring functions, and we will compare the results with our Apple Watch and a popular smart band with the accurate health monitoring function, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, so we are going to compare the results and see whether we do have a similar results or not. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you have any queries regarding this video demo, especially for the health results or sensors, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and check on the health monitoring function of the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's start with the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. Okay, let's have a clear look. Let's check on the heart rate. Okay, so once you tap on the heart rate, okay, it will automatically check your heart rate per minute. Okay, so maximum and minimum, we have it here, and we have 77, 76. If this heart rate is set to automatic or 24/7 monitoring, so it will just continue checking on our heart rate and it will not stop. Okay, so I'm checking on the results here. So we have 77, 74. Okay, so it continues to check on our heart rate and it stops. So we have 75. Okay, so in our support app, okay, the Dafit app, okay, again we are using the Dafit app here on the others. You can check on the settings here of the health, and we can set it to continuous heart rate monitoring. Okay, we also have a heart rate warning. Okay, you can also set the upper limit here. Okay, again, let's check. So I already set it to continuous heart rate monitoring. We have here the result 75. Let's see if we have the continuous heart rate monitoring. Okay, let's see in just a few seconds. Okay, and let's check on our health section here. So we have here our health section for our smartwatch. Okay, you can see the results here later on after we update our page. Okay, so as you can see, it's still tracking or checking our heart rate. Okay, so let's end this. Let's compare it with our Apple Watch. So around 75, 78 something is our heart rate. Let's see if we do have a good result. The last time with our Xiaomi P73, I think it's off. The heart rate is not accurate. This time we'll see with the Apple Watch. Okay, let's have a simultaneous tracking or monitoring of our heart rate. So we have here 75, 78. Okay, let's see if the Apple Watch here will drop to 76 or 75 something. 77, 78. So it's around 78. I guess they almost have the same results here. Okay. So this one, it shows a much faster result compared to this one. Okay. And it's still tracking our heart rate. Okay, it restarted. Okay, so it's almost the same here. +75, 73, just +3 or -3 +3, I think. Okay, so let's check with our Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, let's change position. Let's put this one on the center, the Xiaomi. I'm pretty sure you are interested in the results here. Okay, so let's see with our heart rate. Let's put it properly here. So 81, 91, and drops to 83 for the Apple Watch, Xiaomi Mi Band 8, and our C20 Pro. I think we have a good heart rate monitor here. Okay, they're almost the same, as you can see here. So 79, 80. So this one goes to 81. The other one, let's see. It goes to 80 again, dropping to 79. We'll see if this one will also drop to 79 something. Oh, 81, not. Anyway, just a minor issue here, or just a minor difference. So far, I think that's good. Okay, as you can see here, we almost have the same. Okay, it's almost the same here. Apple Watch and the Xiaomi. Okay. So just a minor difference, as you can see. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, let's go with the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so where's our blood oxygen? SpO2, SpO2. Do we have a blood oxygen here? Let's see. Okay, so we have a blood oxygen. Tap, tap, and tap. Okay, it's now measuring. We have 95%, 97 for the other one, and the other one is 99. Okay, again. We'll go back again to the heart rate monitoring and see if we have a good result. So far, as you can see here, seems like we do have a good heart rate monitoring. And for the blood oxygen, 97. The other one, oops, let's see. And we'll have the result in just a few. Okay, 99%. Okay, it's a bit low here on the Apple Watch. Okay, again, let's try. Let's change position and let's check the heart rate monitoring again. Heart rate. Where's our heart rate? Let's check on the heart rate. You have the heart rate here. Okay. Measuring. You have 82, 81. So the same with the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 for the Apple Watch. And we have here the result. 78, 79, 80. I think it's good. Okay. So this is our second time around and I think it's good. Just a minor difference and it's not, I think it's just okay. Okay. So that's it for the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitoring of our C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay. So let's check on another health function of this smartwatch. Okay. Let's see the blood pressure monitoring. Okay. Okay, so let's check on our blood pressure. We have our Omron medical grade device here. We'll compare the blood pressure results here of the C20 to the Omron medical grade device. Okay, so let's go first with our C20 Pro smartwatch. We have here the blood pressure. Stop. Let's put this properly. Hold still. And we'll see the result in just a few seconds. I really hope that it is just less than a minute. Okay, so this is the blood pressure monitoring. So we have 114/71. Okay, the systolic is 114, diastolic is 71. Okay, so let's check with our Omron medical grade device here. Again, 117/71. Okay, we'll have the result in just a few seconds. And we have 115/67. Not that bad. Okay. Again, let's check. Seems like we do have a good result here. And let's have a simultaneous monitoring. Blood pressure. And going to tap on this. Start on this one. We have 123/82. Okay, let's see the result for the Omron. And we have 110/69. Oh, it's far. It's not that close. Again, let's have the last one. If not, I guess the sensor here is not good or not that it's still in the experimental stage, I think. Anyways, the same with other blood pressure monitoring for smartwatches. It is all just in the experimental stage. I guess the sensor is not that accurate. Okay, still far from being a medical grade blood pressure monitoring sensor. 111/69, and we have here the other one. Wow, as you can see, the same blood pressure. Okay, I guess we do have an okay blood pressure monitoring here. Okay, the same result again. Okay, I'm surprised that it has the same result here. Okay, let's start again. This is the last one. We'll see if we have a good result. If the result is close, then I think we do have a good blood pressure monitoring function. Although the result should be taken as a reference only and not as a basis of diagnosis. Always remember that. (122/76). Maybe the first, it's okay for the first one. Just a minor difference as you can see here. I think we do have a good blood pressure monitoring for our C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, it is not that really super accurate, but I think the result is okay as long as you stay still on checking on your blood pressure. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I guess it varies from smartwatch to smartwatch, okay, model. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the results, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your question if you do have that time. Goodbye.